Alright, MEC 110, Intro to CAD CAM. What did we learn today? Friday, January the 30th. Well, I did a regroup with you all. Last week we saw various problems with the setup of MasterCam in the configuration files that held us back and led to some frustration. So I started out class by making sure that the proper boxes were checked and that the things that were messing us up wouldn't mess us up again this time. I ask you to please remember what those things were when you come in next Friday, and immediately when you turn MasterCam on, change the configuration things like I've been teaching you. So in part of the regroup, I decided to start the MasterCam process out all over again. This is on the Blackboard page as well. This is the process that we follow every time we make a part, and now we followed twice. We didn't quite finish today, but we got all of the tool paths done that I wanted to. However, as part of the regrouping process, starting all over again, I had you draw drawing 3A. It was a 3x3 square with 2 patterns of holes and 4 different bolt circles. You did very well getting that drawn in half an hour. Then we set up the stock. We went to tool settings tab and I told you which boxes to check and to get everything ready to do tool paths. And then we moved right into the tool paths. They were going to be face, spot drill to a 10,000ths chamfer, then drill all the holes through, and then rough the core box, and then finish the box around the outside. Over here, if you want to come over a little bit, are the tool paths that we did, and because I showed you how in parameters to write a comment, the comments come out here facing 10,000ths. Spot drill, drill through, 3/16 drill through, and the core rough. Here's what the part looked like, and that's how thick it was. And I showed you how to copy a tool path down so that you don't have to reselect everything and reinvent all the wheels. Down here, all we had to do was change the tool, its speeds and feeds, and how deep it went into the part. Nice quick way of getting tool paths done, especially on a nice simple part like this. So just to show you right quick, I'm going to check all operations, and then let's watch MasterCam cut all the holes. Drilled them all through, and then this was the new core roughing tool path I showed you. Dynamic high speed going around the part to go ahead and cut in 7% of the diameter increments all the way around, and that cuts at 5,000 RPM and 50 inches a minute, and the whole tool path is done in only 4 minutes. So when you come in next Friday, we're going to open this up and review it all right quick, put one last tool path on it for finishing the outside of it, and then we'll talk about our next project. See you then.